Iran retaliates with massive drone and missile strike on Israel, escalating shadow conflict to brink of regional war. In the stillness of the night, an unprecedented event unfolded. Iran launched a large-scale drone and missile attack on Israel, signaling a new chapter in their long-standing shadow conflict. The attack was in retaliation for an alleged Israeli strike on an Iranian diplomatic compound in Syria. This act brought the covert war between Iran and Israel into the glaring spotlight. For years, the two nations have engaged in a series of clandestine operations and retaliatory measures. Yet, this was the first time Iran opted for such a direct and extensive approach. The skies over Israel were ablaze with the trails of drones and missiles. The air raid sirens, a grim reminder of the escalating tensions, echoed through the night. This bold move by Iran was not just about retaliation. It was a clear message to Israel and the world, showcasing its military capabilities and resolve. Israel, caught off guard by the scale of the attack, scrambled to activate its Iron Dome defense system. The night was punctuated by the sounds of interceptions and explosions. As dawn broke, the extent of the damage became apparent. Both nations now stood on the brink of an all-out regional conflict, a scenario many had feared but hoped would never materialize. The international community watched with bated breath, aware that the implications of this conflict could ripple far beyond the borders of Israel and Iran. Urgent calls for restraint and diplomacy were made, aiming to de-escalate the situation before it spiraled out of control. The stakes could not be higher. In the days that followed, both sides engaged in a war of words, each blaming the other for the escalation. The path to peace seemed more elusive than ever. Yet amidst the turmoil, there were whispers of back-channel communications, a glimmer of hope for a diplomatic resolution to avert further bloodshed. As the world awaited the next move, the incident served as a stark reminder of the fragile balance of power in the region and the ever-present danger of a conflict igniting from the shadows.